even when it comes to marriage, some of us have very, very high expectations of our children, and we don't realize that sometimes they won't want what we want. And sometimes the person that they may have introduced to us, which is happening nowadays, might actually be a better option than whom we think they should be marrying. Because some of us, we've just got a dream. It's just in this ideal fantasy we've got in our minds. My child will do this and do that. Your child won't be the best performing child in the sport or in the classroom, the sports that the child might be participating in, or any other activities, or the classroom. Your child will not be the best. No, let them perform, let them enjoy it. It's all about enjoying. I talk about my school days. I'm sure you all speak about your school days as well, with fond memories. We had fun. There were days we got into a little bit of trouble. There were days when we got up to a little bit of mischief. Do I look like the mischievous one? Nah, I don't.